Hello and welcome back to my channel. Jewelry is meant to be a final luminous detail that enhances your natural elegance. But here's the truth. Some pieces we've held on to for years, thinking they're classics, are actually doing our style a disservice. The wrong scale, the wrong metal finish, or simply wearing pieces that lack presence can instantly date your look. Today, we're identifying 7 specific jewelry mistakes, by name, that can add years to your appearance, and I'll show you exactly how to swap them for modern, sophisticated alternatives that project confidence and timeless luxury. Mistake number 1. The thin, flimsy chain necklace. A very thin, almost fragile chain, worn alone or with a tiny, almost invisible pendant, simply gets lost against the neckline, especially when layered over textured fall fabrics like cashmere or fine wool. It lacks the structural weight required to properly frame the décolletage, and because these chains are so delicate, they often look inexpensive and carry a high risk of breakage. Ultimately, they offer no discernible light reflection and disappear into the skin, making your overall look feel utterly unpolished and sometimes like an uncompleted thought. This thinness lacks the substance that beautifully complements mature skin tones and heavier clothing. How to correct it. The structural paperclip or rope chain. You need necklaces with palpable texture and substantial visual weight. The paperclip chain, featuring elongated polished links, or a classic rope chain, twisted intricately for incredible depth, offers a strong, confident, modern presence. These chains possess enough density and dimension not only to hold their perfect shape, but also to powerfully catch and scatter light across the collarbone area. This deliberate shift from delicate to substantial instantly communicates quality and intentional styling, giving your neckline the flattering frame it deserves. Mistake number 2. The heavy, dated beaded necklace. Beaded necklaces made of plastic, opaque glass, or low-quality, dull stones, often worn in thick, chunky strands, tend to look highly dated, reminiscent of previous decades. Critically, these matte materials absorb ambient light rather than reflecting it, and this total lack of luster around the neck can make the entire area appear shadowed and dull, clashing severely with the refined, sophisticated textures of a modern wardrobe like silk and cashmere. The overall look often registers as cheap or homemade. How to correct it. Luminous natural pearl strands, or baroques. Instead of dull beads, embrace the incredible light-reflecting power of high-quality pearls. A classic single strand of natural pearls is eternally elegant, but for a truly modern, high-end twist, choose Baroque pearls. These irregularly shaped sculptural pearls feature unique, high-shine iridescence that catches light beautifully and feels far more organic and current than traditional perfect spheres. The pearl's soft, unique glow instantly illuminates the skin around the neck and throat, lending a subtle, sophisticated radiance that heavy, opaque beads simply cannot achieve. Mistake number 3. The cluttered stacked ring look. Wearing multiple small, thin bands, or highly decorative, often costume-level rings on every finger, creates unnecessary and visually chaotic distraction. This over-accessorizing pulls focus away from the simple elegance of your outfit and can draw unflattering attention to the joints and natural changes in the hands. The chaotic appearance often looks like an accidental assemblage of youthfully acquired pieces rather than a planned, mature look, creating visual fatigue for the observer. How to correct it. The single, substantial cocktail ring. Retire the impulse to overstack and replace it with a single piece of focused, magnificent luxury. The single cocktail ring, a bold, intentional statement piece featuring one large, striking stone or an elaborate sculptural metal design, is the very definition of sophisticated glamour. Worn with confidence on the index or middle finger, this piece commands attention through singular excellence. It conveys immense confidence and ensures your hands look manicured and intentional, elevating your look with one powerful, high-value accessory. Mistake number 4. The oversized, flashing chandelier. Earrings. Chandelier earrings, especially those featuring extreme length, Noticeable weight and multiple tiers of flashing, tiny stones tend to look both overly theatrical and undeniably outdated. More importantly, the substantial weight and excessive movement put serious, aging stress on the earlobe, leading to visible stretching. The auditory distraction, clinking, and the sheer volume of the design are often overwhelming, competing with your face rather than framing it. How to correct it? The sculptural, linear drop earring. Choose pieces that offer dramatic length and fluid movement without the excessive bulk. The sculptural, linear drop earring provides a beautiful, streamlined vertical line that elegantly elongates the neck. Look for sleek, lightweight designs in brushed gold, thin wire, or hollow metals that utilize negative space. This style maintains the high visual impact of a drop earring, but with a quiet, architectural aesthetic that feels completely modern, comfortable, and ensures your earrings are a sophisticated whisper, not a loud shout. Mistake number 5. The stiff, overly matched jewelry set. Wearing a prominent, identical set of jewelry, necklace, earrings, bracelet, that all came in one box and features the same stones or patterns signals a profound lack of personal effort or originality. This approach is rarely, if ever, seen in modern, high-end styling and makes your entire look feel dated, predictable, and mass market. The uniform appearance lacks the rich, layered texture of true individual style. How to correct it? The art of mixing textures and metals. Achieve curated elegance by retiring the matching set permanently. Instead, focus on harmonizing your pieces through intentional dissonance. Mix metals. For example, a simple silver chain layered with a substantial gold cuff. Or mix textures, pairing a high-quality pearl stud with a sleek, polished metal necklace. This intentional breaking of the rules allows your jewelry to tell a story. Allow one piece to be the distinct focal point, ensuring your final look is sophisticated, deeply personal, and immediately current. Mistake number 6. The overly thin, delicate bracelet. A very thin, almost invisible bracelet, often featuring tiny, flimsy charms or relying on a delicate chain, tends to get completely lost on the wrist. It lacks the visual weight or architectural stability needed to complement the structure of a mature hand, and can look fragile or insignificant. Against the natural texture of mature skin, a very thin piece can look accidentally overlooked rather than intentionally minimalist. How to correct it? The tailored cuff or bangle. Opt for pieces that possess presence and strong, confident design. The tailored cuff or a single, substantial bangle provides an architectural grounding that looks instantly refined and confident. Choose pieces in smooth, highly polished metal, gold, silver, or matte bronze, that sit securely and comfortably on the wrist. This style is comfortable, substantial, and its large, polished surface beautifully reflects light onto the forearm, creating a lovely contrast and stabilizing the entire wrist area. Mistake number 7. The outdated two-tone watch. Many classic two-tone watches, especially those with a small face and a very busy, overly segmented metal band, look tired and can be difficult to read without effort. The mixture of bright silver and gold on a small scale creates visual noise and can look brassy, detracting from the sleek simplicity of modern single-tone jewelry. The smaller face also looks disproportionate and hinders immediate legibility. How to correct it? The bold, single-tone watch with a clean face. Invest in a high-quality timepiece with a larger, minimalist face and a sleek, unified band in one single, high-quality metal color, polished stainless steel, rose gold, or solid gold. This creates a powerful, modern, and instantly legible presence on the wrist, often inspired by classic masculine styling. The clean lines and clear face are both highly functional and unequivocally fashionable, communicating timelessness, confidence, and instantly modernizing your entire accessories profile. By making these 7 strategic swaps, moving from the thin, the heavy, and the overly matched, to pieces that are structural, light-reflecting, and confidently substantial, you ensure your jewelry works for you, not against you. These changes are small in scope, but their cumulative impact on your overall elegance and perceived youthfulness is profound. Focus on quality over quantity, prioritize light reflection, and let your jewelry selections confidently reflect the sophisticated woman you are today. If you found these detailed tips invaluable for refreshing your jewelry box, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more advice on ageless style and looking expensive every day.